Nature often holds profound secrets to our future innovation. Experts are actively uncovering these incredible design blueprints. Nature often holds profound secrets to our future innovation. Experts are actively uncovering these incredible design blueprints. Our modern world faces many complex challenges daily. From energy to materials, sustainable solutions are vital. Many vital answers lie within Earth's oldest engineer, nature. This innovative concept is called biomimicry, a powerful discipline. It involves simply imitating nature's time-tested patterns. These patterns offer sustainable, incredibly efficient designs for tomorrow. Consider the lotus leaf's amazing self-cleaning ability. Its microscopic texture effectively repels water and dirt. Researchers mimic this for future stain-resistant fabrics. Coatings on buildings could also stay clean naturally. Then there is the shark's remarkably efficient skin. Tiny dermal denticles reduce significant drag in water. This inspires faster, more fuel-efficient aircraft designs. Companies develop swimsuits and ship hulls using this principle. Look at termite mounds in African savannas, for instance. They maintain constant internal temperatures year-round. Complex ventilation shafts regulate airflow passively and efficiently. Architect Mick Pearce designed the Eastgate Center in Zimbabwe.
This building uses no conventional air conditioning whatsoever.
Its energy consumption reduced dramatically, saving resources. Another marvel is the kingfisher's unique beak shape. It cuts through water with incredibly minimal splash. Engineer Eiji Nakatsu applied this vital principle. He redesigned the Shinkansen bullet train's nose cone. This reduced tunnel noise and improved train speed greatly. It became much quieter when entering narrow tunnels. Biomimicry extends to entire urban ecosystems globally. Future cities could function like resilient natural forests or decentralized energy grids, mirroring efficient natural flows. Purification, waste from cycles won in communities, or decentralized energy grids, mirroring efficient natural flows. Stanford University researchers study complex ocean patterns. They seek robust, self-healing communication networks for future tech. These smart systems adapt to disruptions automatically and fast. Bio-inspired robotics navigate complex terrains with ease. Future infrastructure will be much more adaptable and resilient. It will also be significantly more sustainable for generations. Nature provides a masterclass in elegant, proven solutions. Its billions of years of research and development are unmatched. Actively, we are shapes a much learning to better live tomorrow.
We are learning to live harmoniously with our Earth.
The future built on nature's profound wisdom truly thrives. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories.